stay fit. Come on, that shit right, did it? Bado.
Get up the pieces that I lost in the lobby. I put you against the wall, you had us body to body. I can't help.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. So before we start this video, I just want to remind you guys to go and subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below. You know what I mean? But come on guys, you guys have to subscribe to my channel. You know what I mean? I need the world to know who, you guys need to make the world to know who this guy is. You know what I mean? Bado is fit. You know what I mean? Okay guys, going straight to the point. So, obviously, in today's video, as you can see from the description below, it is about the new PlayStation 5 reaction. So, obviously, I have not watched this, and the thing about it is, I just want to watch it. One of a viewer told me something about this video. You know, he was the one who obviously introduced this video to me. So obviously, the guy was like, you know, Bado, embrace yourself because this guy is. What can I use to kind of define this guy? What I kind of have it, but I just can't. Loco, yeah, crazy, cuckoo, yeah, it's loco because the thing the guy did with the PlayStation 5 was so mad. That was what he told me. So I'm like, okay, you know what I mean? Let me go check it out. If you guys don't know I'm a PlayStation fan, fuck Xbox. I'm just joking. It's still the same thing, but it's just that I grew up with PlayStation and I love PlayStation. So let's go and watch this. So stay tuned. Okay. Okay, a Japanese person obviously, so I can put the subtitle.
サイズは幅 104mm、高さ 390mm。
Large book or dictionary or something like that.
260mm と Ps5 より一回り大きくすることにより、処理能力や性能面で飛躍的な性能向上を実現しました。フロント側には USB Type-C ポートとハイスピード USB 対応の Type-A ポート。リア側にはスーパースピード USB 対応の Type-A ポートを2つ、LAN ポート、HDMI ポート、電源端子を搭載しています。フロント側の2列が吸気口です。
God damn it, if TV does something that is crazy, I'm gonna jump into this video, slap the hell out of him because the viewer who watched it told me some things that he did. Oh my goodness, my chest is already pounding so hard right now. Let's keep watching.
はすべて排気口になります。ベースを外します。縦置きの時はコインネジで固定されています。外したネジはスタンドの中に収納できます。そしてこのキャップを固定しておきます。横置きにするときはベースを回転させてください。このマークに合わせてベースを差し込んでください。両側の白いパネルはお客様自身で取り外しが可能です。後ろの角を持ち上げてスライドすると
The first wave, guys. The first wave. Okay. Alright. It's nothing.
こに冷却用のファンが内蔵されています。両側から大量の空気を吸い込みます。 PS5 では2箇所にダストキャッチャーを設けました。ダストキャッチャーに溜まったホコリはこの2箇所の穴から掃除機で吸い出すことが可能です。将来の拡張ストレージ用として PCIe 4.0 に対応した M.2 インターフェースを搭載しています。ここから PlayStation 5を分解していきます。
Damn, this is some mad PlayStation 5 operation right now.
ファンを取り出します。
Every pitch of the thing he's bringing out from the PlayStation 5, he's just holding my chest. Oh!
ファンを搭載しています。ケースを外します。
I'm done, guys. I'm done. I can't watch this no more. Gosh. Really? I'm done. I can't watch this no more, guys. I can't. Alright, man, it's always been a pleasure doing this video for you guys, you know. It was mad, but still, I couldn't go through with the video, the end of the video, guys. If you guys want to really go on, if you guys want to know more about it, go to the description. I'm gonna put the link there, and you guys can go check it out. Cause I can't go ahead and finish watching this thing. It's so mad. Alright, man. It's always a boy Badu. Remember to like, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to tell people about me, guys. Subscribe to my channel so more people can know Badu is fit. You know? Alright, man. Stay safe, stay humble, and always stay fit. Come on, that shit right, did it? Ah!
PlayStation